JavaScript functions in order to get the value from the select box. So let's begin. First, I'll create a boilerplate for HTML template. Okay. Get select value, from select box value using JavaScript. In the body tag, I'm going to create a select tag, and here we have options in that select tag. I'm going to take fruit names. Okay, options. Name mango, and then tomato, and watermelon. Here we have options in the select tag. Let's see what we get as output. Okay, here we have fruit names in select tag. Okay, let's write a JavaScript code in order to get this selected value from the select box. I'm going to create a function const get selected value is equal to, I'm going to write it as a fat arrow function. This is a fat arrow function introduced in basics. Okay. And here we are value specs into value, and I'm going to call this get function on select tag as a on and get selected value, and we will pass the parameter that this dot value, and we will out print the console at what we get in this value parameter, and so dot log, and get value. Let's see what happens when we in select box. So I'm going to close the console. If you don't know how to open console, just simply click on the window and search for inspect option. You will see console here. Okay, I choose tomato. Here we go. We get tomato, watermelon, mango, tomato, watermelon. Whatever you choose in the select tag, that value will be printed in the console. So we can get the user selected value from the select box. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe.